So today we're gonna be doing something probably a little dumb. We're gonna be going to check out and hopefully buy my dream car. Legit, I love this car. It's been a dream of mine to own it. You guys already know I've been looking to buy another car. We're just down to the X5 and the M3, and usually I have 3 cars. So today, hopefully that will change. But I'm not gonna spoil it yet. If you guys wanna see what car we're talking about, stay tuned. Hold on tight, we have a bit of an adventure. We're gonna be going about like 2 hours into New Jersey to get this car. And to do that, we're actually not gonna be taking the M3. We're gonna take the X5 because this car is way more comfortable. And also, as you guys know, if I'm gonna go pick up a car today, we have to make sure that we have someone with us to drive this car back. So we're gonna have my friend Sticks. You guys know him, you guys love him. He's gonna be helping me out, so shout out to you, Sticks. I know you're watching this video. He's gonna come with me all the way to New Jersey to check out this car. This is an adventure, guys, I'm not gonna lie. I've kind of been like second guessing myself on this the whole time. I am buying this car cash, and it's not cheap. So, you know, I don't know if it's a good idea or not. There's also a big catch to this car, like a big one. And I'll explain that more as we kind of continue the video. I don't want to get ahead of myself. Like, I don't know if I'm getting it yet. You guys will know because the title and the thumbnail, but I still don't know. Like, I'm hoping everything's good. So before we jinx it, I'm gonna go grab a whole bunch of cash. I'm gonna meet up with Sticks. That's probably the next part you guys are gonna see. And hopefully we're gonna end today with a new car, my dream car. And look who just pulled up, Sticks, AKA Sticks. You ready, bro? Thank you for coming, by the way. I appreciate you. You're going to a game right after this?
Nah, no, not right after. I got a game later.
Oh, yeah, Sticks is a good friend. I didn't tell the video what the car is yet, or the circumstance of the car. Because, you know, there's a certain circumstance with it. Yeah. What do you think of the car?
I mean, it's good. Hopefully, when we get there, everything looks as good as...
But even just like the type of car.
Oh, that's fire. You're gonna love it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think you're gonna enjoy it.
Well, you guys will see exactly, but just don't skip ahead. Anyways, we're gonna dip. Yeah, let's just dip. We'll just go right now. That way, we just get there. We'll be like a little early. Hopefully on the way back, we don't get stuck in traffic, because that would suck.
So yeah, it's good that we're going early because traffic. Is it Jersey?
Yeah, it's in Jersey. There's a lot of good cars in Jersey, I'll tell you how much. There's not many. Actually, there was, I saw one in the Bronx, but that one was sketchy. So, I don't know. Anyways, we'll check back in with you guys once we get closer. For now, Six and I are gonna drive, or I'm gonna drive.
I'm just here, man. I'm the passenger princess.
Passenger princess.
Literally.
A few moments later.
All right, guys, it's been a bit. I didn't really film that interaction just because, again, I don't like stuffing cameras in people's faces. But as you guys can tell, we are not in the X5 anymore. We are in another car. That's right, guys. I bought it. Now, some of you guys can probably recognize what this car is just based on this interior. If you don't worry. I will show you guys in a bit. There's a lot that I have to talk to you guys about because it's probably not what you're expecting. It's also very, very random, very, very spontaneous. And again, this thing has a catch. So this might be a great idea, or this might end up being a horrible idea. Either way, we're gonna roll with it and we're gonna make something out of it. By the way, we have Sticks in front of us, driving home the X5, which actually looks really good rolling. I don't usually see that car rolling, but now I do. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna focus on driving right now because, yeah, the traffic here is really, really bad. But I'll catch back up with you guys when I get there. All right, guys, we just made it home. I am currently parking the new car in my driveway for the first time. I gotta say, usually I park the X5 here. This car, if you guys can't, oh my goodness, the camera's so dark. This car is significantly smaller, so it is way easier to park. Hopefully, let me see if I can get you guys some light. It is way easier to park inside. Oh man, the M3 is right there. These two cars are gonna look so good together. All right, let's stop stalling and let me hop out. And here it is, guys, my new car, the new car in the channel, and the new project car, a Mark V A90 Toyota Supra.
It's going down like a rodeo. It's going down like I told you so. It's going down like a rodeo. It's going down like I told you so. I hope you all here for the ride. Come inside, cause it's going down tonight. Only here for one night, no lies. Come and saddle up a ride.
So to specify, guys, this is a 2021 Mark V A90 Toyota Supra. It is the 3.0 premium, so that does mean, of course, it has the B58. Don't worry, guys, I did not cheap out and get the 4-cylinder. Of course, can we just like acknowledge how good these two cars look together. This is now the new duo on the channel. We still, of course, have the X5, as you guys saw earlier in the vlog. But let me make this clear right now, guys. This G80 M3 is not going anywhere. This is still gonna be, in my mind, the halo car on the channel, the best car on the channel. But now we just have the Supra in addition to the M3 and of course the X5, which we do actually have some mods for. But about the Supra, guys, so like I said in the title and the thumbnail, there is a catch to this Supra. Although, like I said, it's a 2021 3.0 premium. It's not that it's a 4-cylinder. This, guys, is a rebuilt car. This car was in an accident, a front end accident. I'll actually throw some pictures up on the screen so you guys can see what the accident looked like. But this car was rebuilt by the previous owner. Now, how well was it rebuilt? That we don't know. But I will say, guys, this thing is not in pristine condition. I mean, I'll do a whole video kind of going through the entire car. I mean, just right off the bat, you guys can see the hood is in really bad condition. This actually isn't a factory hood, it's carbon. We won't get into the details all right now, but let me just kind of quickly walk you through the car. So of course, here's the front end. I'll quickly show you guys the interior. And again, you know, this thing is definitely gonna need some TLC. So in the next video, I'll run you guys through everything that we have planned for this. But here's a quick look at the interior. It is black interior, thankfully. If you guys know me, you know I love red interior, but the red interior on the Supras, I think is really ugly. So I actually prefer the black. Here is a quick look at the rear end. Definitely the better angle of this car in terms of the condition of this one, and then also just of the Supra in general. You guys can tell it actually already has a TJ Hunt wing. I know I just hit it with my ring right there, but as you guys can tell, you know, probably doesn't matter too much. You know, right now, guys, the Supra's on camera, but I just keep on looking at both these cars next to each other. Like, this is an absolute dream. And again, guys, I'm so excited right now that I probably am like forgetting what I'm saying, but if I didn't say this already, the G80 M3 is not going anywhere. Like, this car is staying. We're gonna have both these cars, which is absolutely crazy. I'm probably repeating myself, but right now I'm just so excited. I can't really focus. I just can't believe I own a Mark V Supra with the B58 and as a premium, because there have been times where I almost pulled the trigger on like a 4-cylinder, which is probably not the best way to get a Supra, but just because they're cheaper, you know, I kind of figured. But now that this one is rebuilt and, you know, still needs some TLC, if you guys want to know how much I paid for this thing, I'll tell you right now, I paid $28,000 for this Supra. Car markets might change here and there, but as of today, as of right now, if you guys want to get a Supra with like pretty similar mileage, you're gonna pay about like $48,000 to maybe $52,000. I got this one for $28,000. Again, it is a rebuilt title. Everything is good. You guys saw in the pictures from that accident, it was not that bad of an accident. No frame damage, no engine damage, no suspension damage. Airbags did go off, and obviously the front end needed to be fixed, but otherwise it was not bad at all. And then of course, you know, this one does need TLC. But the good thing is, guys, you guys recall, I almost bought an E46 M3 that needed some TLC as well. I mentioned on the channel, as much as I love modifying cars, I really want to try to like rebuild or restore one. This one needs some restoration, it needs some work, and I'm of course gonna film the entire process. It's thankfully nothing too crazy, so I don't think I'm gonna be in like over my head like that E46, but it definitely needs some TLC, so we're gonna take care of all of that. Again, we're gonna film the entire process, and of course, guys, after we restore it and after we make it look better, we're gonna start modding. So hopefully you guys are just as excited as I am for this Supra on the channel. Again, for those of you who love BMWs, who love the M3, this car is not going anywhere. It's staying on the channel. We have something massive coming for it, which I mentioned in my last video. So if you guys didn't see that, go check out that video. And for those who don't know, if you're seeing this and you're thinking, well, it's a Toyota, remember guys, this is pretty much a BMW. Everything inside is like a BMW. I know the design outside does not look like a BMW, but everything else is, and it is the B58. So I know a lot of you guys have like an M340 or 440 or whatever it is, something with the B58. Don't worry, now I'm back with you guys in this platform. I know I have it in the X5, but it's just not the same. But now we finally have it in a nice, you know, more fun platform that we can tune. Maybe we go big turbo on this thing and just really send it, because with this car, I don't feel a need to tune it. But with the Supra, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, driving it, especially after being so used to the M3, it feels a little slow. So maybe this car, we actually focus on tuning it, making it faster. Obviously, we'll make it sound better, we'll make it look better. Obviously, this Supra, we don't have to worry about warranties, we don't have to worry about any of that, so we can just go you know, completely crazy, tune it, do whatever we want with it, and just make it absolutely insane. So again, guys, hopefully you're as excited about this car as I am. This is legit a dream come true. I know it's arguably probably not the best car for YouTube. So many people have done it and all that, but keep in mind, this is also just a dream car for me. This is a car that I've like lusted over for the last 4 years, and I just really wanted. Like, I actually get more excited about the Supra than I do something like an M3, and it's probably because this is a sedan at the end of the day. This is a 2-door, 2-seater sports car. That might be a controversial topic, but maybe that'll be a separate video. But anyways, guys, if you want to know more about the Supra, if you guys want to see just how bad this thing is, because we didn't even get into like the start of it, like there's so much to talk about with this car. Stay tuned, hit the like button, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. But yeah, with that said, guys, this video is pretty much done. We have a lot more to go into, so stay tuned for the next one. Peace.
All mine if you don't listen that much. But some of y'all don't listen at all. The same they be pushing your butt.